Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to our comprehensive guide for InRadar 2025. This powerful new software version is designed to enhance your real-time data analysis with speed and precision. It offers an intuitive interface, packed with advanced tools to streamline your workflow significantly. By the end of this video, you will confidently navigate its core features, ready to leverage its full potential. Let's dive in and unlock your productivity. Understanding the interface is your first step to success within InRadar 2025. You will immediately notice a cleaner, more organized workspace designed for efficiency. All essential modules are now easily accessible through the streamlined sidebar menu on the left. Take a moment to explore and don't hesitate to customize your dashboard. This allows you to display your most critical data and alerts right where you need them most. Now, let's explore the core of InRadar 2025, its real-time data analysis capabilities. You can access live data feeds and perform instant trend analysis, all powered by our new analytical engine. Use the advanced filtering options to pinpoint specific radar signatures and anomalies with incredible precision. The enhanced charting capabilities also allow you to visualize complex data patterns effectively, making informed decisions faster and easier than ever. One of the most powerful features InRadar 2025 offers is its advanced alert system. You can easily set up custom alerts for any critical event, ensuring you receive instant notifications the moment something important happens. Configure multiple alert thresholds, helping you differentiate between minor fluctuations and major incidents clearly. Plus, a comprehensive history of all triggered alerts is readily available, which is invaluable for your post-event analysis and reporting needs. To get the most out of InRadar 2025, consider these practical tips and best practices. First, try leveraging keyboard shortcuts. They significantly speed up navigation and data entry. Always remember to regularly update your software to ensure you access the latest features, performance improvements, and crucial security enhancements. Finally, explore the integrated help section. It offers deeper insights, troubleshooting guides, and a wealth of knowledge to support your daily operations effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.